Hello, my name's Jacob King. I'm a senior English major with a minor in music also. And my project for this year's Oscar Expo is called DIY Publishing and the New Disposable. So there are two parts to that, the first being DIY Publishing. So with help from the Donald Nelson NASCA Award, I've spent the last 2 semesters researching specific poetry groups I had an interest in, like the Beats, the New School, the San Francisco scene. There are others. And the ways that those poets kind of became their own publishers and got their work out there. And so the second part of my project is the New Disposable, which is my own magazine. So I was influenced by what I was reading about, learning about, and I edited and designed this own magazine, which I'll be distributing on April 29th at the English Department's Lit Festival. So it's been a reflection on what I've learned in the first part, but also my own practice and curation, editing, design, distribution. And as a senior, my final semester, this project is sort of the culmination of so many parts of my time at Fredonia. So it's just been super fulfilling and fun.